This is a song called Patterns. It's one of our songs as well. We're going to do, because of copyright reasons and because we like playing our own music, we're just going to play our songs out here for you guys. So,
we like your song.
Thank you. I like you. Think I could have one of those drinks you offered earlier?
Yeah, I think so. It's time to, just a sip of one.
Yeah.
Because then after this, I'm just taking a hard ride off that cliff. Let's go.
Going.
My man.
Yes, there is, again, the only sponsor here is that right arm.
We're not being sponsored by anything.
That's the best part of this. Mountain Games. This is true Mountain Games.
Cheers, y'all. Appreciate
The
that.
state of
Oh,
Colorado.
we got some randos showing up. Nice, I dig it. I love it. Lokes, I hope.
I don't think, if you're here right now, I think it's kind of meant to be. You know what I mean?
Yeah, totally.
On all the places you could have been, right here is where you is.
I mean, you could have been on that side of the bridge. And
Patterns? This is a song I wrote called Patterns, you guys. God don't ask the devil for favor. I've learned this the hard way on my own. I don't know just where this ride will take us, but I hold on white knuckle to the bone. 'Cause youth is wasted all on the young. Youth is wasted all on the young. Patterns in your lives I've been ignoring. The patterns in the sky brought us there. Improvements on this soul I've been restoring. With achievements I forgot throughout the years. 'Cause youth is wasted all on the young. Youth is wasted all on the young. Learned the less I know and deaths I've done in days before. I write these words about my time, living poems and speaking rhyme. These patterns get the best of me, but the best of what is left of me. And I suppose we'll carry on. I suppose we'll carry over. Youth is wasted all on the young. Youth is just wasted all on the young. What
Tried to get the honk for that 18 wheeler. I was a little late.
Unreal. The dynamic of what's happening. We got Highway 24 at
Aircraft
rush
carriers.
hour on a Tuesday, right? That's happening. This is rad.
I think somebody just base jumped off that bridge. I'm not sure.